It is not a pretty day out there today. It's going to be cloudy and drizzly. We're not talking heavy downpours all day long. In fact, you can probably get away with maybe the hooded waterproof jacket as opposed to the giant umbrella, but not a lot of sunshine. It's going to stay cool. It's going to stay breezy, and showers could pop up pretty much at any time, especially through the first half of the day. So you may need to swipe the windshield wipers a couple of times as you head into work. You can see as the blimp goes by, the clouds are in place. Let's talk about what you need to know as far as our weather headlines. Here's a look at what's next on this Wednesday. It is a milder morning than the past two. We've been in the 40s and 50s with a nice clear sky the past 2 days. Today, it's cloudy, and that means temperatures did not drop much overnight. So we're starting out in the 60s, but spotty showers likely all day long, especially again, first half of the day. It looks like after about 3 or 4 o'clock, it may be drying out for most of us, but the high barely cracking the 70-degree mark all day long. Let's talk about what we're seeing out there right now and what we'll see through the afternoon. You can see here's that coastal low. Most of the rain with it is out to sea, but we are on kind of the back edge of that cool northeast breeze. Showers being drawn in from the coast further inland. So as you head out the door today, it's going to stay on the cool side. It's not that chilly this morning, but temps going nowhere, barely hitting 70 today. So I would grab the hoodie, have the umbrella handy, or again, at least the hood to cover your head because we've got rain chances on and off throughout the day. Generally light, about a 20% chance, but on and off right into the evening. Coming up, we'll time those out for you hour by hour, and I'll take you through the upcoming weekend forecast with the 7-day. Let's send it over to Kim Hudson and see how traffic's looking. Good morning, Kim. Good morning. Of course, 2 victories over the Mets. Let's hope the weather doesn't change things tonight. It's not going to be quite as nice, but I think most of the games should stay dry. Can't say the same for this morning, especially down the shore. Take a look. This is a shot from Atlantic City, and you can see it's tough to see the boardwalk in the distance. The camera lens all blurred by raindrops. Looks very similar in Ocean City this morning. The boards are wet. There's light drizzle and some steadier rain popping up here and there down the shore right now in Ocean City. Definitely not the kind of morning you want to get out for a walk or run on the boardwalk, unfortunately. Not as cool as the past couple of mornings have been. Temperatures are in the 60s right now. We're at 66 in Philadelphia, 61 degrees in Trenton, 62 in Reading, and it's 64 degrees in Millville. Here in Philadelphia, you can see out the windows of our next weather sphere. It is mostly cloudy, and we are going to see some showers on and off throughout the day. Now, they're not going to be quite as numerous as they will be down the shore, but we will at least see the chance for a few spotty sprinkles here and there, and that's going to keep temperatures cool. The high today only 70 degrees. Our average is 81. We're more than 10 degrees below average. In addition, that breeze from the northeast, 10 miles an hour with some higher gusts, that's going to make it feel cooler. And with the showers, it's just one of those days you wish you could curl up in bed and kind of stay there all day long. Most of us don't have that luxury, so if you have to go out, hooded jacket to keep you dry or grab the umbrella, but it's not a full day washout. 61 degrees tonight, mainly clear. We're drying out, or mainly cloudy, I should say. Clouds are going to break up overnight and into tomorrow, and we've got some much nicer weather on the way for the rest of the week and into the weekend. But here's the system we're watching. Most of it's staying offshore, but you can see clouds spreading inland, light mist and drizzle out there this morning, and we do have the risk for some coastal flooding as well, thanks to that just persistent push of ocean water along the coast, especially for high tide cycles, which is about 10 or 11 a.m. for the shore points. We also have a high risk of rip currents for all of the New Jersey and Delaware beaches. Not that anyone would want to make today a beach day, but you don't want to go in the water today at all. Spotty showers through at least midday, and then notice these do start to diminish a bit as we head into the afternoon and evening, and much nicer weather takes over starting tomorrow and continuing through the weekend. Look at this stretch this weekend. We're looking at low 80s with sunshine each and every day. Kim, I'll send it over to you.